So today I'm off to design my own logo from start to finish.
Let's start from the beginning.
I was watching my first video and realized my profile picture is off. What? It's pretty awful. So I need to change it. So today I'm off to design my own logo from start to finish.
Let's start.
But I have never designed a logo before. So first, let's check out some other brands to get inspired. This will help me to get a clear idea of the look and feel I want for my logo. After watching tons of logos and designs, I noticed that most of them are based on typography. Now, I have an idea for my logo. So without further ado, let's get to work on our first logo. Meet my Sketchy, one of the 3 sketchbooks I have. Now I am going to design in this one. The goal is simple, to create something unique and minimal. It's time for me to brainstorm. Brainstorming is a great way to start a logo. This will help me make more unique and minimal logo. After completing my first logo sketch, let's take a picture of it and transfer it to my laptop to create the illustration. Now, I'll make some adjustments and trace it using Adobe Illustrator. Now, my logo is almost done. Wait. Let me explain what happened. The logo I made so far has some issues. It just doesn't feel right. After taking a good look, I spotted 2 problems. First, it's not optically balanced. And second, it doesn't have the flair I'm going for. Let's fix it. Now I have to redo the sketching. Take another photo and make adjustments and trace it again. Now that it's ready, we can move forward to the next step, which is creating the mockup. Now that the mockup is complete, let's look at the final result. Wait, what? Holy shit.
ठीक है, रिकॉर्डर ऑन कर।
भाई घड़ी की साउंड आ रही है, उसको भी बंद करा दे क्या?
हाँ